So this week I'm going to be focusing on putting the bed frame in. And so I got the one bys done on this side, and this is going to be just our, where our studs are going to be sitting on, going across. And so if you look over here, we have the studs that are in here from the previous owner. So I'm going to be taking those out and I'm going to be putting one bys instead. And so, yeah. And then I'll be able to create our bed frame and then add in all of the things going under it. I'm also going to be adding the sound deadening panels over this wheel well once I get the studs and the insulation. So yeah, so that's what I'll be working on today. So last week, what I worked on was making some holes in the floor, and this is for our wastewater tank stuff. So I have a couple of holes that I made here. That took a while and that was not a lot of fun, but got it done. I also added in some studs, added in the studs for our bed frame, and so I added 3 studs in for that. So this is where our bed frame is going to sit. So today what I'm going to be working on is just putting in all of our mechanical systems kind of beneath our bed. So I'm going to be working on installing our water filter. I'm going to be taking out our wastewater tank so that I can install our waste gauge. So that just allows us to tell how much waste that we have in our tank. So yeah, I'm just going to do some planning, and so that's what I'm going to be working on today. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I just took out the wastewater tank, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I made some holes, and what I did is I test fitted it, and then I made the holes into the van, going through the floor. And so yeah, there's no turning back now. So but yeah, now I'm going to just be putting the rubber grommets in, and then I also have the waste gauge as well. So I'm probably going to put that more to this side. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. guys, just wanted to give you a quick van update. So what we've been working on is installing some of these studs, and this is going to be where our wood joists come across. And I've also been starting to do work on the ceiling, and so this is going to be a little bit interesting. I have to run the wiring still for the ceiling, and I have to fix some of the studs from the previous owner. But other than that, I'll be working on the electrical, which I'm going to be mounting about right here, just below the bed area. And so I'll be working on running all of our branch circuitry for that. And I've already started working on our 2-tier electrical system, which I will be releasing in another video. And then that's going to go over top of the battery, which is going to be mounted under the bed in this general area. And so also just adding studs in this area and just fixing some of that. So that's going to be what we'll be working on next week. And so keep posted, and thank you for watching.